As comedians, we spend a lot of time on the road.
But today we're going on a different type of road trip, and I'm taking Sarah to see some of my favourite places in and around my hometown of Aberystwyth.
So where are we and what do you love about this place?
This is the Rheidol Riding Centre, and I started riding here over 20 years ago, so I thought I'd bring you here to show you how amazing it is. Have you ever ridden a horse?
Why is that funny?
I don't know.
Ask again.
Have you?
Let's try. Let's find out. Let's go on a quest together. So tell me about this place.
This is Ynys Las, where you can drive onto the beach. The kids love it. I like to bring my dog here. And even when it's like the height of summer, it's never overcrowded.
What do you love about Medina?
So over the last 10 years, like the Aberystwyth food scene has exploded, and Medina is one of my favourite places. They've got amazing cakes, but there's a shop, really nice wine, and a kids' corner, so they can leave you alone while you drink the wine.
So we've had a really great day. I can't believe how much we've done.
I know, we've been on a horse, we saw some sea, walked on some sand, saw some amazing scenery, ate a lot of nice cake, and we've barely scratched the surface. Aberystwyth.